How's it going, everybody? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get going with this blast from the past video, I would like to thank all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. And if you like what I'm doing, share it. And alright, with that being said, this is the Accurate Miniatures Corvette Grand Sport. And it was let's see, 1964 SEBRING car. And the reason why I'm doing this video, old Gary over at Transition Modeler, y'all need to go over there and check his channel out, which a lot of y'all know him anyway, but he did a review on this kit. And I think the other box art of this, because I think they did 2 or 3, well, I'll let him explain that, and you can go over there and see the unboxing and everything of this kit. But the reason why I wanted to do this video, after seeing that, I remembered I'd built one years ago when this kit first came out in the mid-90s or whenever it was it came out. So you're talking 20 plus something years, 25 years, I don't know, it's a while when this kit came out. And so I just wanted to show y'all my build of it from back then. And back then I wasn't, which I'm still not a very good modeler, but I was a little bit better than I was back then. But here you go. Let me show it to you right here. Alright. There she is. As you can see, it don't have the stripe going down the hood. Back then I messed that up, so I never did finish it up. But I built it without the stripe. And this is the first time I ever messed with photo etch parts, and this was a pretty difficult kit for me to build. And I think Gary at Transition Modeler was telling that he showed that the Revell kit of this is the exact same kit. It's the Accurate Miniatures kit, and I didn't know that upon watching his video. So now that I want to do another one, I'll just go buy the Revell kit. It'd be a lot cheaper than trying to buy the Accurate Miniatures kit. But you can see the headlights. I messed them up. First time ever messing with photo etch. It looks like they're trying to come apart there. They need to be fixed. But I see you probably won't be able to see it, but I photo etch seat belts. You can't see in there. And like I said, unfortunately, there's no build pictures of this. That's from a long time ago. There's glue on the windshield. It'll never be no model to go to shows, and it's very dusty. There's the underneath of it. And that was super hard to do up in here, those stupid headers. It's a tube chassis car. There's a lot of fiddly stuff on this car. And back then I wasn't much of a experienced modeler to deal with it. But I could probably deal with it a little bit better these days. But you can see the photo etched parts around the gas cap. It's got photo etched in the hood. The seat belts, you can see that piece is coming out. I need to reglue it. But you can see through those louvers. It's very nice. Let's see. All kind of little photo etch stuff on it. There's the carburation. It's got 4, looks like Weber carburetors on it. I did braided hoses on it, which I don't think that's probably not correct for back then. It's wired. It's got the little pins right there. But other than that, I just wanted to show this blast from the past. Like I said, it was built a long time ago, and it is very dusty. And I built the white one back then too, but that's back when eBay was getting really popular and just come out and was getting hot, and I sold the white version on there a long time ago, and I haven't built this kit since. This was the last one I built. and I kept it because I screwed the stripes up on it. The white version, I did a little bit better job than I did on this one, and I just kept this one. I never did sell it. But with that being said, that was my blast from the past. And yesterday I was out at an antique shop, and I picked this sucker up for 15 bucks. It's a 1961 Mercury Monterey. You can see it's a promo. It's really not in bad shape. You know, the chrome probably needs to be re-chromed. It's missing one of the little marker things there. The other one you can see is there. That's the only thing missing on this car. It's broke off. But other than that, pretty good find for 15 bucks. At least I thought so. I don't know what promos really go for. This will probably just painted up as a model car eventually. Move that over out of the way. And then Keith, buddy, I've been working on making the molds for the Cosworth engine right here. And this right here is the engines. And you can see the transmission. This is what I've gotten done so far. This is the only thing that I ain't made the mold for yet, is the hood and the underneath the hood there, firewall and stuff. I thought I would have enough right there, the silicone mold making stuff, but I run out. That was the last. That's some more. It's not, I'm still waiting for it to set up, and that's more of the parts. But this is the only thing I got left, Keith. When I get those done, I'll send them out, and we'll start our buddy build. We're going to build the Cosworth. And two, everybody subscribe to me, all my YouTube buddies that's already sent me shop cards. I'll be sending you shop cards. That's my new shop card, and I will get them out to you. Alright, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.